Chris Blackwell. I'm here at Navy Beach introducing my rum called Blackwell's Rum. I'm doing this for LargeUp.com, and I'm thrilled to be here and thank LargeUp for talking to me about it. So when Richard Kirschenbaum, a friend of mine, suggested to me, why don't we do a rum together in my name, I thought, yes, it sort of just felt like a good idea. And so that's really how this rum started. And that was about 3 years ago. I said to my partner, it has to be made in Jamaica because, and I would love to go back to those people. I think it sort of makes a great sort of circle in the story. My mother's family are the Lindo family, and the Lindo family came to Jamaica in the 1600s. In the late 1800s, some of the family immigrated to Costa Rica, and the leader of the family was a man called Cecil Lindo. And he came back to Jamaica in 1916, and in 1922 bought J. Ray Nephew. I was the oldest sort of grandchild of his brother and his partner. My life plan, as far as they were concerned, was I was going to take over the rum company. However, my two uncles didn't get on, and so when I came back, there was no rum company to run. And I found myself in the record business, which was great. It's been a great life in the music business. I think the reason that rum is so associated with Jamaica goes back maybe 500 years. In the 1500s and 1600s, Port Royal was like the center of the New World. Port Royal was a more important city than New York City at that time. I think from that time, that's why Jamaica is so identified with rum. My rum really has a great flavor, delicate little flavor to it. I like it best on its own, not even with ice. That's how I like it. That's how I personally like it best. Or I love to pour it into hot coffee or mix it with coffee ice cream. It's not sweet, but it has just a little flavor.
Sorry,